welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix Carx game stuck on loading problem. If you want to download Carx game but face this type of problem, how can fix it? Go back to your home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, and from here click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle at least the third second you have turned it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode at least the third second you have turned it off, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on journal, and from here scroll down and click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do is turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time. After that go back and click on software update, and from here what you need to do it update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do it disconnect, and after that go back and scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone and click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode. What you need to do it click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back, and what you need to do it click on shutdown and slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.